Hey, welcome to Jimmy D's RC. Thanks for stopping by. We got Gus and we got RCGus, and we got FigzRC over there as well. And we're just out here with a few of the,
on the camera coming at you from St. Ives.
Coming at you from St. Ives, yeah, from the showground. Anyway, we just have a few RC cars. We're out here for a bit of a bash. What's this thing?
Oh, we got a 1/8 Truggy, a 6S Offner CRT.
Jeez, look at the shocks on that thing, eh?
Yeah, it's a beefcake.
Yep,
and
Superman.
Then, what you got? You just got your son of a digger LMT Losi.
That's right.
Oh yeah. What's the truck? We got a Kyosho Traxxas Summit with an Revo body. I just picked this body up.
Yep,
for mate. And then Figz has got his co-rally. I'll let Figz introduce his car.
Yeah. What's this thing you're driving?
It's LMT.
LMT. This is the grave digger, right? But you've put a custom body on that. It looks really good, man.
Yeah,
very cool.
Body, I painted myself.
Yeah.
The leftover paints basically.
Cool. Looks good though. What do you mean? Look at it.
Oh, yeah,
fantastic.
Well.
Yeah. And then what's this? What's this thing?
Team Co-Rally Spark XP6.
Yeah.
6S. 4S.
Now, were any of these? So this, Gus, this buggy that you've got down there, that was gas by the looks of it, and you converted it to electric.
Yeah, that's an OG Inferno. That was a gas car.
Yeah.
The MP 7.5, and put a brushless 2650 kV to run 4S on it. So it's been like that for a long time now.
Nice.
Trusty Inferno.
Yeah.
One battery.
Excellent.
And yeah, and then we've got a bit of a conversion going on with the brushless. That was a Traxxas Summit that we put electrics that are brushless in there. New Hobby Wing Max 8 G2S combo where you can Bluetooth it all to your phone and tune it and get parameters on your phone. So
that's nuts.
It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's all censored as well, so it's nice throttle response. But yeah, jumps well, goes well, good basher.
Good show, man.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, well, what do you say we get these things up and running and have some fun?
Get the snot rocket going.
Beauty.
Here he is. Son of a digger. You little son of a digger. Two-wheeler. Oi! Look at this Jimmy D down here.
That was so close. Whoa! Do the Rocky Balboa. There it is.
Oh no! Oh, there he is. There they are. I don't know. I didn't even see it. Oh, go Figs! Yay!
Sorry, man.
There we go. Are we doing a drag race? First to the ramp wins. Oh, double carnage.
Nice. I got it! It's a good shot.
Oh, yep, that's the one there. There it is. It's always good to check your diff screws.
Screw it, Gus.
Screw it. Pretty screwed. Let's see it down here.
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Yes.
Nice. Nice. He's a monster! He's a monster, ladies and gentlemen!
Look at the calves. It's like a bison, this Canadian unit. Look at that, pure muscle. Eh? That's what RC running after your car does for you, eh? No need to go to gyms.